Hello student, today we are going to see our next oilseed crop, that is linseed. Okay, in paper second, next oilseed crop is linseed. Locally linseed crop is known as Javas. Family of linseed is Liniaceae. It is important for our filling the blank. Okay, botanical name of linseed is Linum ustitiacissimum. Okay, and origin is Afghanistan. Economic uses of linseed. As we know, linseed is an oilseed crop. Okay, first economic use is India is one of the main producer and exporter of linseed and linseed oil. इंडिया हे नंबर 1 प्रोड्युसर आहे कशाचं, लिन्सीडचं ॲज वेल ॲज लिन्सीड ऑइलचं. ओके, linseed is important oilseed as well as fiber crop. It is also important for our filling the blank. Linseed is not only oilseed crop as well as it is an fiber crop. Okay, the oil is drying property, so mainly used for manufacturing of paints, varnishes. Okay, oil have a drying property. It is unique quality, drying property असल्यामुळे आपण ते कशामध्ये यूज करतो, पेंट अँड वार्निशेसमध्ये यूज करतो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आहे ऑइल केक इज यूज्ड ॲज अ मॅन्युअर अँड यूज्ड ॲज अ कॅटल फीड. ओके, यूज्ड ॲज अ मॅन्युअर अँड ॲज वेल ॲज यूज्ड ॲज अ कॅटल फीड. शेतामध्ये मॅन्युअर म्हणून यूज करू शकतो. त्याचबरोबर ऑइल केक आहेत, सीडमधून ऑइल एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट केल्यानंतर जो काही चोथा राहतो ते जे ऑइल केक्स बनवले जातात ते ऑइल केक्स आपण मॅन्युअर शेतामध्ये वापरू शकतो ॲज अ मॅन्युअर म्हणून, आणि त्याचबरोबर ॲज अ कॅटल फीड आपण सरकी पेंटच्या स्वरूपामध्ये सुद्धा ते आपण जनावरांना खाद्य म्हणून देऊ शकतो. अँड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट फिलिंग द ब्लँक इज ऑइल कंटेंट ऑफ linseed is varies from 35 to 42%. This is very important for our board exam. Okay, after that varieties total 6 varieties here. In that Malshiras-10, Solapur-36, N-3, N-55. These 4 varieties are important for question number 4 chart. Okay, after that ecology. As we know, we are seeing paper second, that means Rabi seasonal crops. That's why linseed crop requires cool and dry climate for their proper growth. Okay, temperature range is varies from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. After that, linseed crop required rainfall near about 650 to 1000 millimeter per year. And last and most important point, it cannot tolerate heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall tolerate करू शकत नाही. Okay, after that soil. Linseed can be grown on different types of soil. Okay, फक्त कुठल्या सॉइल मध्ये येऊ शकत नाही ते sandy and heavy soil. Okay, it can be grown in alluvial and deep black soil. Deep black soil म्हणजे जे आपल्याकडे अवेलेबल आहे, डीप ब्लॅक कॉटन सॉइल. ओके, सॉइल सगळ्या क्रॉपमध्ये सगळ्या सॉइलमध्ये येऊ शकतं, फक्त सँडी टू हेवी लोम सॉइलमध्ये येऊ शकत नाही. आणि इट कॅन बी ग्रोन इन alluvial अँड डीप ब्लॅक सॉइल. आफ्टर दॅट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ लँड. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ लँड इज same as another crops. First point, 1 deep plowing is given for linseed crop. Next, clouds are crushed with the help of cloud crusher. After cloud crushing, our land is leveled with the help of leveler. After that, 2 to 3 harrowings are given to the field. How many harrowings? 2 to 3 harrowings are given to the field, and after that land is leveled. Sowing time, that is Rabi seasonal crop. That's why sowing time is October to November. Sowing method, 2 methods are here. One is broadcasting, second one is drilling. Okay, sowing method, first one is broadcasting, second one is drilling. Seed rate. Okay, Javas crop or linseed crop have 2 types of seed rate. Okay, when seeds are small and when seeds are big. Small seeded varieties, seed rate is 10 to 15 kg per hectare, and big seeded varieties seed rate is 20 to 24 kg per hectare. This is also important for question number 4 chart. Sowing methods also important for question number 4 chart, and sowing time is also important for question number 4 chart. Okay. After that, spacing 22 centimeter into 10 centimeter apart. Okay. In spacing, first spacing refer row to row distance, and second spacing refer plant to plant distance. This is also important for question number 4 chart. These 4 things are important in question number 4 chart: sowing time, sowing method, seed rate, and spacing. After that, next point is seed treatment. Okay, seeds are treated with Bavistine. Bavistine, that is a solution. Bavistine at the rate 1.5 gram, very little bit. 1.5 gram Bavistine used for per kg of seed. Per kg, that means for 1 kg of linseed seed we are using only 1.5 gram Bavistine. Okay. This treatment is given for controlling the seed-borne diseases. For controlling the seed-borne diseases. Very simple seed treatment. Seeds are treated with Bavistine at the rate 1.5 gram per kg of seeds, and this treatment is given for controlling the seed-borne diseases. Okay. After that, manuring. We are not given here FYM. FYM is not given because it is a minor crop. Only we are given the fertilizer dose. In fertilizer, we are giving only nitrogen content. Okay. Look, the fertilizer dose of linseed 40:00:00 NPK kg per hectare. Okay. 40:00:00 NPK kg per hectare. Out of 40 kg N, 20 kg N is given at the time of when? At the time of sowing. 20 kg N is given at the time of sowing, and the remaining 20 kg nitrogen is given 30 to 40 days. 30 to 40 days after sowing. Clear? Okay. Out of 40 kg nitrogen, 20 kg nitrogen is given at the time of sowing only, and remaining 20 kg nitrogen is given 30 to 40 days after sowing. Okay. Next point is irrigation. Generally, linseed crop is taken as a rain-fed crop. Rain-fed crop means what? The crops which are totally depends on the rain water, not irrigation water, irrigated water, available irrigation channels. Okay. Linseed crop generally were taken as a rain-fed crop, but if were taken it is an irrigated crop, then our critical growth stages are: first one is the flowering stage, and second one is a seed development stage. Okay. First one is the flowering stage. When flowers are emerged, we have to given the irrigation to our field, to our crop, and second one is the seed development stage. Seed development stage. Okay. Next point is intercultivation. 1 to 2 hand weedings are given for irrigated crop. 1 to 2 hand weedings. बघा, 1 ते 2 hand weedings द्यायचं आहे for irrigated crop. Next point is harvesting. It is matures within 100 days after sowing. 100 days near about 3 months plus 5 or 10 days. It is mature within 100 days after sowing. Harvesting is done when plant turn golden yellow and capsule turn into the brownish color. Okay. When harvesting is done? When plant turn into the golden color and capsule turn into the brownish color and plant get dry up. Okay. 2 points are more important here. The plants converted in which color? Golden color, and our capsules, linseed capsules, converted into the brownish color. Next point is the crop is harvested by pulling or cutting the plant at the base. Harvesting कसं करायचं आहे? The harvesting is done by pulling or cutting the plant near to the ground surface or near to the base. Threshing is done by beating with stick. Where beat the capsules of linseed and separate the capsules and seeds from this process. After threshing, winnowing is done. As we seen here, linseed is important oilseed as well as fiber crop. Then last point in harvesting is for fiber purpose, it is harvested at capsule maturity when the crop is still green. When we are taken linseed crop for a fiber purpose, then when harvesting is done at capsule maturity stage. Okay. After that, yield. Rain-fed crop yield is 300 to 500 kg per hectare. As a irrigated crop, 800 to 1000 kg per hectare. And when we are taken, it is in fiber purpose, the yield of fiber is 400 to 600 kg per hectare. Clear? Here we have three yields. Look here, as compared to rain-fed crop, the irrigated crop yield is more. Why irrigated crop yield is more? Because we are giving irrigation time to time, like a flowering stage, like a seed development stage. In rain-fed crop, our crop is totally depend on rainwater. In irrigated crop, we are given irrigation at a proper critical growth stage time. That's why as compared to rain-fed crop, our irrigated crop is always higher. Okay. Next, pest of linseed. First pest of linseed is linseed gall fly. Whenever fly is come, always damaging stages. Which one? Maggots. Damaging stage is maggots. Linseed gall fly damaging stage is maggots. How to nature of damage? How to damage these maggots to our linseed crop? First point, the maggots feeds on flowers. Where maggots feeds? On flowers. And as a result, capsules are not formed. When our flowers are damaged, the next process, capsules does not form. Clear? Maggots feeds on flowers. That's why it results into the capsules are not formed. Then how to control it? Killing the flies by using the light traps. Light traps use करायचे आहेत. Killing the flies, whatever flies these are, killing the flies by using different light traps. So light traps attract the insect and automatically kill the flies. Okay. As well as spraying of 0.05% endosulfan. Okay. This is linseed gall fly. Next pest is linseed caterpillar. Caterpillar, that means another name of caterpillar is larva. Damaging stage is caterpillar or larva. Nature of damage. Caterpillar feeds on leaves. Caterpillar feeds on the tender leaves or older leaves, whatever it may be. Caterpillar feeds on leaves. Then control measure, hand picking and killing the caterpillar. Okay, hand picking and killing of caterpillar and spraying of 0.05% endosulfan. Important pest of linseed. Then we are moving to the diseases. First disease is rust disease. Symptom of rust disease. Rust in Marathi it is called as tambera. Rust symptom. Brown yellow spots are appeared on the leaves. This is important. Which color spots are appeared? Brown colored spots. Brown yellow colored spots appeared on the leaves. Initially the spots look like a brown yellow color. Okay. Later on it turned in black to brown color. Initially, the spots having brown yellow color, later on they are turned into the black to brown color. Okay. Then how to control this rust disease? By using our seed treatment. The seeds are treated with Bavistine. Just before 5 minutes we saw this point. The seeds are treated with Bavistine. Clear? The seeds are treated with Bavistine at the rate 1.5 gram per kg of seed. The seed treatment for controlling the rust disease, linseed seeds are treated with the Bavistine and grow disease resistant varieties. Okay, this is another control measure for controlling the rust disease. Okay, next disease is wilt. Symptoms: fungal growth. First point, it is a fungal disease. This is a fungal disease. Fungal growth is found in root cavity. Where fungal growth is found? This is important. Not on leaf upper surface or not on leaf lower surface. Fungal growth is found on root cavity of linseed crop. And because our root is damaged, obviously our plant will die. Finally, plant get dry and die. Clear? Fungal growth is found in root cavity. That's why finally our plant get dry and die. Clear? Okay. Then how to control this wilt disease? Again, same control measure is here. Seeds are treated with Bavistine at the rate 1.5 gram per kg of seeds. Clear? Seeds are treated with Bavistine for controlling wilt disease. Where giving the seed treatment. Seeds are treated with Bavistine solution at the rate 1.5 gram per kg of seed. And last point is also same. Grow disease resistant varieties for controlling the wilt disease. Both control measures are same. Okay. Today we finished our linseed chapter. Linseed chapter is important for question number 4 chart. This is a minor topic. The questions like varieties or sowing time, sowing method, seeded spacing, yield, these questions asked in question number 4 chart. Okay, today we stop here. Thank you.